We're live now, Ken. Tell me about your car.
This is a 1963 Corvette.
Stingray.
Stingray, the first year of the Corvette. I got this from a local place in Alpena. The guy had it and tore it all apart. And I started redoing it. And I repaired a lot of it. And like on the other side, I replaced this whole fender, which had a crack across here. And all the parts I got are right over there. We got the whole body all repaired, all the major components taken care of, and now we gel coated it. Now that the gel coat is in, we're going to sand it down and fix all the little flaws in it before we put the primer on the paint. And then we're going to set it on the frame after it's painted. But then we're going to install the motor and all the stuff in the frame before we put the body in.
Let me take a look at that frame while we got the camera going.
The frame is over here. I took it, rebuilt it. I had to put new sections in the frame, 2-foot sections in here on both sides, and weld them in because they were rust in that area. And then we get that done, then we took it and had it lined up and checked, make sure everything was true and no problems with alignment or nothing. Then we put all new gear in it, new brake lines, gas lines, shocks, brakes, brake drums, everything. Everything is all new. As you can see here, I'll pull it back, and you can see all stainless steel. That's the brake lines. The gas lines are the same.
Okay, let me get a once around on your car here. There's our body man in the background there.
Yeah, don't get me in there.
This is,
as you can see in the back here, this is all new cross member, your differential and your new drive shaft, all new U-joints, everything. Gas tank, new gas tank is underneath. This is the wheel housing or the spare tire. Everything's new.
Motor's been rebuilt.
The motor over here, all rebuilt. Buddy, come on.
a 327 with how much horsepower?
327. 350 horsepower.
Yeah. Well, when the puzzle gets put back together, we'll have to come back and do another shot.
Yep.
Not gonna be long now, Frank.